Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart. But we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama.
It's the 19th, bitch.
Woo. You know what I mean? That's what we got. That's what we're working with. JSP. We're not fucking around.
So we got this one first. This is the casing, and it came from Japan. It's about 600 bucks, like I was saying. Then this is the crankshaft right here, and it's about like $400. And I got the unboxing. I'm gonna do that on there. But yeah, I got the crankshaft now. I really didn't want to spend a bunch of time wasting y'all time, but I spent a lot of money to get to this point. As you can see, this is $1,000 between these two right here. I'm just a working man. I don't have an abundance of cash, no silver spoon. I'm just trying to do a quality build with as many stock parts as possible, because I understand that's where the value at is in this thing, to have as many original parts or upgrades that are necessary. That's really where your performance come in at. And I shouldn't have did this frame candy red looking back at it, but it is what it is. Did I make a bad mistake? Most likely I did, because I lost the value of what it was really worth, being it was a special edition. It was black. I'm gonna grab the pieces that I have, and then I'm gonna do y'all the full spread so y'all can see kind of where I'm at with this build. But I'm gonna keep on moving to the new parts. And most of these stuff have stickers and stuff, and I'm just really trying to collect all the stickers. But it says this is a shift cam. It's a part 2GU 185400000. Yep. I believe this is like almost like a crankshaft type of a deal. I'm not sure. It's something to do with the shift part of the motor or something. I'm not sure. I'm just ordering what I've been told by the mechanic. This is some kind of cap. It came with the torch delete. This is the torch delete, and they got a magnetic touch plug. I got a lot of stuff, man. I bought a bunch of stuff, and I spent a lot of money to get to this point. Just got some cool stickers. Shout out to Vito's Performance Racing, VitoPerformance.com, 248-969-9168. Long story make sure I bought this off of Amazon. I ain't gonna even sit here and just know that, like I said, I don't really know what I'm ordering. I'm almost certain that this worked in unison with this, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm just doing what I've been told to do. And I got another box. Got these stickers. Like I said, I like these stickers. Put them on my compressor. Shout out to man, so many different YouTubers making some good content, man. stuff like right now. I'm watching Swag Gatsby. I'm looking at Life of the Ice. I'm watching a lot of people. There's all kinds of fork seal type deals. It's like 3 or 4 of them. Not fork seals, but like these forks, shift forks or something. Like this. I just know these are official Yamaha parts as well. There's all kinds of codes on this one, but I believe this will be the one everybody needs. All this stuff is coming from Japan. It's stock Yamaha, so you can only imagine how much money I'm spending plus time to get these parts. But it is what it is, man. It really is. But I got some kind of pen. But I'm just thankful that the parts they finally coming in. Boy, this shit right here, I could have bought a car for cheaper than what I'm putting into this 4-wheeler. So I'm gonna tell you, man, you trying to do what I do, you gotta spend some money and find experts so you don't waste your money. Because I done wasted more money going to different shops and they taking my money and mechanics that don't want to deal with you, or they just be, I don't know. It's a weird game when you playing with these cars and these bikes. It's a weird game, you know. A lot of mechanics be tweakers and stuff. People that build these race cars and stuff, I guess the adrenaline and stuff that be flowing, that they have to do with a lot of different substances or something. But I ain't into all that. You know, like, I ain't trying to do all that. You know, but let me see, I got some more stickers or something right here. Okay. Shout out to Banshee Joe's as well. So they said he got new and used ATV parts and more. Banshee Joe's on eBay. So I bought these parts off of eBay. And I'm gonna put all these stickers. I got some pretty cool little stickers I'm gonna put out there. I'm trying to see where my hot rods. I might already put it out there on there. But we'll see. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yes, sir. Nook ahead and pull over to the shop. He done hurt himself today, but we gonna see what he got to say.
Fuck my whole goddamn leg up.
Oh,
Jeremy, I gotta pee. Yeah, go for it.
Jeremy, what's up, man?
What's up, man?
Hey, what'd you think today, man? Y'all was out having fun?
Yeah, we're out having
You ain't hurt yourself, did you?
No. No. The crazy boy did. Always trying crazy stuff.
It wouldn't be right if he didn't, man.
He's trying to hurt himself.
I think as soon as you meet Zach, you realize that he's a damn lunatic.
Yeah. Look how dusty I got my new bike, man.
Man,
It ain't new.
you done put a ding in the tailpipe too.
Do I?
Feel like you got a ding in your tailpipe now.
Where? No, that's cut like that.
That's it right
Tire
there?
can go up. That's meant to do that.
Okay, cause I'm like,
That's
it's a
so
crease.
That beefy tire can go up there. And
Oh, so what, you got a bigger tire on the back?
yeah. Well, no, it came like that, notched out like that. It came like that notched, but I put a fatter tire on it about 2 months ago
Okay.
because Texplex tore the other one up.
Man.
You and I got something in common. We hate that place.
Oh man. And they trying to charge too much.
I ain't been back, dude.
Man, I'm not finna pay more money to not have fun.
Nope.
So that defeat the whole purpose of this.
Yeah. I ain't been back since last summer.
You say you ain't fooling with it, huh?
Dude.
Then you remember that dude pulled up on me,
Yeah.
damn near hit my truck. That
Yeah.
the mud
Dude.
plus they just in everybody. I mean, it's cool that Texplex allow everybody to come, but not everybody should be able to come in there and just do wherever they want.
Yeah.
And that's the thing I don't like.
I just think if they spend some time and some money on their track, they might get, we talking about that. Yeah, they might spend some money in the right area.
Yeah, you ain't doing nothing illegal. I just got this new phone, man.
Yeah.
What you got going, man?
Just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Meeting up with the man, getting some parts.
Man, it's blurry as hell.
Yeah, good, yeah.
All right. Nah, man, it's that damn reflective ass. It's like you glowing, but
Oh yeah. Probably the
man, it's like beaming.
yeah.
But this what we got going. Again, these parts.
Got the cover
This. That's part of that. This the old crankshaft. Huh?
I don't need it, bro.
You don't need it? But I mean, you take it
just in case.
Yeah, you just in case. And then another thing too, you can sell it. You know, I know it bring you value because you're a mechanic. So
Yeah, we can see what we can do.
I put a lot of screws and stuff in there in the bottom. You see? The Kickstarter. All the stuff you told me to order. That's all the new stuff in here and there. I even got some old stuff. I don't know, some nice few ears.
You don't need that. You got all that.
Yep.
It's not that bad.
No, I already spent that $400-some.
No, we gonna use that one anyway.
It's not that bad, man. Now you just made me spend $400 damn dollars. Man, I don't know what's going on with my phone, man. Why is it doing that?
You got a cover on the back.
Nope.
I don't know if the lens inside.
Oh, there it is. Like, look now, there's no light on. I can see better.
No, the bearings inside.
What you do? You put it in there? Okay.
It's gonna be hot.
Man, I think that light must be enough or something.
Yeah, that's probably what it is, bro. Super flash. You can barely hear that, bro.
Like butter.
Yeah.
I just know I seen that badass red lines in the middle. I'm like, I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
It's something reinforced though.
That's just full of bearings also. Yeah.
But it's heavy duty shit. Yep.
This shit's supposed to be, like I say, busting.
I think we got another gift right here.
See what else is good. Oh, this is stuff I got you last time. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna use everything, every bit of it. Every bit of it we're gonna
Man,
use.
I think we still got them bushings that went on the boots or whatever, like on the suspension, like where the control arms is. It was like those silver, like, you know, you had to put grease around them, and then you had like it's like a washer, and it's like, and then it's a cap on the end.
Yeah, like the caps, yeah. Like
Yeah.
it's a dust cap.
Yeah,
Like a dust
it's
cap?
missing a dust cap.
I think I got some. Hey, can you get that going for me?
All right, let me get this real quick. Where you want me to put this at? This the,
Hold on, let me put this in here. What is it?
All right.
Yeah.
that's
Oh,
the extra
my
case.
bad.
Boy, I gotta make sure I got my keys on me. Are you me grab it now?
Yeah. Well, that stuff
Boy,
goes
you
over
gonna hurt yourself on your lunch break, man. I'm gonna let you go ahead and grab it. Man, that boy putting in some work, man, on his lunch break.
there.
Working,
Spray,
man. Man, you delivering, man.
Right. That's it.
Yep, that's it.
You
Man,
already
so
showing this? You already
yeah,
showing
man,
this?
let's see,
We gotta
man.
Bust it out.
Explain to them what this is because you the expert.
We gotta bust it out. We gotta bust it out. Let them know real quick.
All right, so what we got
You know
here?
what I'm saying? We got a brand new set of Yamaha Banshee cases.
Mm.
Woo, woo. You know what I mean? That's what we got. That's what we're working with. JSP. We're not fucking around. Anything, if nothing's 100, we ain't gonna build it.
Man,
You know what I'm saying?
I like that, man. Say that one more time, man. That needs to
Which
be a
one?
paid promotion. JSP, what?
Yeah, JSP.
What's that? You say you ain't fucking around?
I ain't fucking around.
Let me get this door for you, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Let me get this door for you, sir. Man, I spent a lot of fucking money on this shit, man.
That's it. That's it. You done, basically.
Dude. And I need some better pegs. Them pegs ain't gonna work.
I mean,
you see
as,
what I'm
as
doing?
far as the engine, I believe I can.
I want some better pegs, and I'm not gonna use them stock handlebars. I want to do some pro tapers.
The pro tapers, yeah. Get you maybe like a wider one.
Yep. So that's what I'm saying. I know it's still little small things and knickknacks. I'm not finna spend a bunch of money on that expensive ass suspension you talking about. They ain't trying to hear that shit.
Yeah.
But here we go, fellas.
That's a remaining.